Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of automotive diagnostics with the ANCEL BZ700 OBD2 Scanner. If you've ever wondered what's going on under the hood of your car, this is the tool that will help you uncover the mysteries. Stick around as we explore its features and capabilities. Let's roll! First things first, let's see what we've got inside the box. The ANCEL BZ700 comes neatly packaged with the scanner unit, an OBD2 cable, a USB cable for updates, and a user manual. It's compact, user-friendly, and ready to use straight out of the box. Now, let's talk about some key features that make the ANCEL BZ700 stand out. It's equipped with a large color display, making it easy to navigate through menus and read diagnostic information. The OBD2 scanner is compatible with most OBD-compliant vehicles, offering a wide range of coverage. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, truck, or even a hybrid, the ANCEL BZ700 has you covered. One of the standout features is live data streaming. You can monitor real-time data, such as engine RPM, vehicle speed, coolant temperature, and more. This helps you diagnose issues on the spot and make informed decisions about your vehicle's performance. Read and clear diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, no more mystery check engine lights. The BZ700 identifies the source of the problem, giving you a clear idea of what needs to be fixed. Full system scan, go beyond the engine. The BZ700 can scan virtually every system in your car, from the transmission and ABS to the airbags and TPMs. Special reset functions perform advanced maintenance tasks like oil light reset, electronic parking brake EPB calibration, and throttle position sensor TPS. Relearn. Battery health check and registration. Keep your battery in top condition with voltage monitoring, charge activation, and registration for new batteries. Supports all OBD2 protocols, works with virtually any car made after 1996, both domestic and foreign. Navigating through the ANCEL BZ700 is a breeze. With its intuitive interface, you can quickly access various functions like reading and clearing error codes, viewing freeze frame data, and conducting smog checks. It's like having a car doctor in the palm of your hand. Now, let's get hands-on. I've got a car here, and we're going to connect the ANCEL BZ700 to see what it can do. The ANCEL BZ700 not only reads standard OBD codes but also provides access to manufacturer-specific codes. This advanced level of diagnostics gives you a comprehensive view of your vehicle's health. Keeping your scanner up to date is crucial for optimal performance. The ANCEL BZ700 allows easy firmware updates via USB, ensuring that you always have the latest features and improvements at your fingertips. Here are some pros and cons about ANCEL BZ700. Pros: powerful functionality, user-friendly interface, portable and affordable, positive user reviews. Cons: limited bidirectional control. And there you have it, folks. The ANCEL BZ700 OBD2 Scanner, a powerful tool for DIY car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Unlock the full potential of your car's diagnostics with this compact and reliable device. If you're ready to take control of your vehicle's health, check out the ANCEL BZ700. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more automotive insights. Happy driving!